Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is Asian Pew Pew. I'm coming at y'all with the Cmmg Banshee 300 MK4 AR-556. I'm doing a quick unboxing, so it's gonna be short. Yeah, it's come with the back like this. Take it out. Okay. Yeah, with a Gen 2 Cmmg. Basically that's it. Okay, time for the gun. It come with the SVs, Cmmg SVs muzzle brake. This is a Stormtrooper white color shell coat. This is the length is 10.5. The barrel 10.5. It's also come with the its own charging handle, MacBook pistol grip, and it's a SPA3 rip race. Right, this normal, and you can just do this. See, without pressing it, just rip it out like this. Its own design, so I think. Okay. Okay, I'm doing the other side for you guys. Oh, look at that logo. Banshee. Sexy man. Trigger. Trigger safe. Okay, so that's why. Oh boy. The trigger is soft. It's good. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.